All right, guys, welcome back. Today we're making a shrimp and linguine pasta. Heat up your pot, add some olive oil, and about 2 tablespoons of butter. Add some shallots. I used about half a shallot, it was pretty big. You want to saute that a little bit. You want to add some garlic. I used 4 cloves of garlic. Right here, I'm sprinkling some red chili flakes. I want to give that a good little mix and saute that for a little bit. Just about a minute or two at the most. You don't want the garlic to burn up on you. And right here, it smells so good. And I used small shrimp, uncooked, already peeled and deveined. Comes in a bag. I season it with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. That's it. Pour the shrimp in. Let that cook for about 3 minutes. Mix it up real good. Make sure it picks up all the flavors. I had my pasta boiling already. It was already drained. Every time I drain out my pasta, I put in, I drizzle some olive oil on it so it avoids it from sticking. Once the shrimp is cooked, like it is here, you add your pasta. And then you want to mix that all up so it picks up the flavors of the shrimp, garlic, chili flakes, and butter. Give that a good little toss. All right. Then I chopped up 1 tablespoon of parsley and 1 tablespoon of basil. Throw that in, and then I add another 2 tablespoons of butter. Half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give that a good really good mix. Toss it up, mix it all in. Right here, you just want the butter to melt in. Once that happens, everything's mixed up, you're ready to serve. Oh, take that back. Gotta add the spinach. This is optional. I decided to add it last minute. Give it some nice color and add a little protein. Again, it's optional. And then this is how it looks like. Top it off with some parsley as well. And you have a beautiful shrimp linguine pasta.